Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing notes on KVL analysis. Kirchhoff's voltage law. It is the second law of Kirchhoff's law. KVL. In any network, the algebraic sum of the voltage drop across the circuit element of any closed path is equals to the algebraic sum of the EMF in the path. Thus, the algebraic sum of all the branch voltages around any closed path or closed loop, that is always zero, is around a closed path. Sum of all branch voltages in closed loop is equals to 0. To better understand, learn how to apply KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. In this figure, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 are the resistors connected in series having drop voltage V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6 respectively, and V1 is the source voltage. So, the sum of all the voltage in closed loop is 0. Add all the voltages V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Here is the equation. V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5 plus V6 is equals to 0. Sum of all voltages around a loop is equals to 0. It will be more clear. Let's take an example. See this figure having 10 volt source voltage and resistor voltage VR1 is equals to 4 volt and VR2 is equals to 4 volt and VR3 is equals to 2 volt. All the resistors are connected in series with the source voltage. Apply KVL. Sum of voltage rise is equals to sum of voltage drop. 10 volt is equals to 4 volt plus 4 volt plus 2 volt. If you like my video, then please do like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. For more videos update, join the Telegram channel. Link are given in description. Thanks for watching.